Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. It's Chad from The Right Line, and today we're going to go over my installation of the Hikeit throttle controller in Chewy. So first, let me just say that the Hikeit throttle controller is an awesome upgrade. I'm very happy that I put it in Chewy, and it's really livened up his throttle response. Holy
That's lively!
So basically, the Hikeit has 6 settings. It has off, which is factory. Factory throttle response, the Hikeit system is turned off altogether. It has auto. When you put it on auto, the Hikeit learns your mannerisms and it adjusts its response through all the settings based on your driving habits. Then there's Eco, Cruise, Sport, and Hikeit. Alright, so let's have a look at what's in the box. First thing we pull out of this box is going to be these static proof bags. This one here is the faceplate for the Hikeit. You can see it right in there. Then the wire harness. You can just make it out inside here. This is what actually plugs in to the electrical connection on top of your gas pedal. Got some stickers that are going to make it go faster. An alcohol wipe to clean the dashboard where you're going to stick your Hikeit faceplate. Zip ties to tie everything down, instructions, and a little insert inside the package just to give you a kind of a visual bit of instructions. Now I'm cheating a little bit because I've already installed a Hikeit into my Jeep, but I just so happen to know somebody who had one in an unopened box, so I could share it with all of you. Installation of your Hikeit is super easy. You open up the vehicle here. This plastic panel has to come down. That just pulls out of the way. You'll need a 10mm socket to take these two little bolts out, lift this little access panel out, and then straight back there is the top of the gas pedal. Now, I stuck my Hikeit right up there, just to the right of the steering column. Don't want to forget the camera. I have owned Jeeps for many years, and I have tried a lot of products that claim to give a true seat-of-the-pants performance change. And so far, I can say without a doubt that it has actually delivered the best seat-of-the-pants performance change ever. When you put your Hikeit in the off mode, you're returning your Jeep to its stock configuration. There'll be no adjustability in the throttle response in the off mode. If you put your Hikeit in the auto mode, there is no adjustment necessary. In the auto mode, the Hikeit system learns your driving mannerisms and it adjusts its responsiveness. Auto mode is an awesome mode for somebody who is a set and forget it kind of person. Eco mode. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't like the Eco mode at all. Even at level 9, I kind of feel like the Eco mode is a waste. The Sport mode is going to offer you a really peppy, nice, sporty, responsive feel from the Hikeit. I found that using the Sport mode while towing my Overland trailer was very nice. My favorite setting for Sport mode is between 5 and 9, depending on my attitude for the day. Cruise mode is my favorite mode, I think, by far. It is just a notch under the Sport mode, but it still offers a nice responsive throttle. It's just not overwhelming. I kind of get the feel that Cruise has the feel of a nice cruise through the hills. My favorite setting in Cruise is level 9. Last up is the Hikeit mode, and I will just say, oh my God, if you want a very lively, very exciting throttle response, switch it to Hikeit. Now, if I'm honest, Hikeit at level 9, in my opinion, is just a bit too much, actually. Please take care in using the Hikeit mode. In fact, if I were off-road, I would consider choosing any of the other modes except Hikeit. Hikeit is awesome for passing, and my favorite setting for Hikeit is level 5. I got my Hikeit from a dealer here in Phoenix called JK Wholesale. Here's their contact information below. If you've heard of Hikeit before and you want to know more, or you like what you saw in this video, or just gotta have one, contact JK Wholesale here. So far, I gotta be honest, the Hikeit kit is one of the best upgrades so far that I've done with Chewy. I am not disappointed at all. If you're new to the channel, well, welcome. If you're returning to the right line, welcome back. If you like what you see, please consider a like, comment, or a share. Maybe even a subscription. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.